Hey creators, I'm back. Welcome to a brand new video. I have something very interesting for you all today. As you can tell by the title of today's video, it's not a regular tutorial. I'm gonna get into Halloween tutorials very soon. Probably next video. I'm having people actually help me make these videos because they're so extravagant. But till then, let's get into brows. I was on the hunt for some crazy brow things because as you can see, I didn't do my brows today. If you're wondering what's different, girl, where did your brows go? Have they been snatched? I am Japanese Native American mixed girl. So I have very thick brow hairs, but they're very sparse, few in between. There's not many. So I like to draw on my brows depending on my mood, my expression, my day, how I'm doing every day, and it takes forever. And a lot of people, you're kind enough to like tell me, oh girl, your brows are looking good. It takes time, practice, essence, your firstborn, and some blood samples. No, but it takes a lot of work to do brows. So I'm like, how can I get the tattoo brows you see on Instagram but not tattoo my brows, because I don't like pain and frustration. And if you've seen Alyssa Ashley's video of her terrible experience getting her brows tattoos, that made me never want to try that out in my entire life. So we got some products to try to make our brows go on. Lightning speed is what I'm hoping. So I hopped on Miss Amazon the other night, late at night. We all do it around after midnight. We fill up our Prime cart if we're lucky enough to have one. And we don't actually buy the items sometimes, but this time I actually bought them. And the first one being this crazy one I saw in a Facebook video. So on Amazon, I got this amazing little device before I opened this coffin full of fake eyebrow stencils. This one is called the Pinkio, I butchered that, Eyebrow Tattoo Stylist Eyebrow Shaping Template. Are we on Wish? Nope, because this was $13.80. Eyebrow Shaper Eyebrow Design Belt Eyeliner Stencil. That's a mouthful. Again, it was $13.80. What it basically is in this little box is a strap for your face. Sounds weird, I know. And then you get a whole bunch of different brow stencils, and we're gonna see which brows could cover my hairs to look real enough. And you have to use your own product of brow powder. So let's see which one of these stencils, why are they yellow? Are these old? Maybe you can't see it on camera, but they look yellow. Which one of these stencils matches my brows? And then you have to pop, that's not me. Then you have to pop them on your head, I'm guessing, and fill them in. Nope. This is already good. This makes me look angry. Can you see that? I don't want to look like an angry bird today. Ooh, I look very angry in this. This looks like a Disney villain that I'm not ready for. Let's see what this brow, oh, she might be the closest, still a little, very arched. All these girls look surprised. No, too thin. I feel like Goldilocks, but ghetto version for brows. She's okay. Or that one. I like her better. Still not finding the right one. No, there's so many of these. No, why do these look like those birds you drew as a child? No. This, oh, we might have a winner with that one, we'll see. This, too thick. They look like caterpillars. Nope. That one made me look like an anime boy cartoon, and I like anime boy cartoons, but not on my brows. Let me see. It's either this one, or I'm liking this one, but it doesn't match my brows, so I might have to go with this one. Yeah, let's go with her. I got the style 8819-4. If that helps anybody, if you get this. So you have to pop out these little, I'm guessing, stencils. No instructions whatsoever with these. You just have to guesstimate. You just have to send a prayer and hope for the best. And I'm guessing you put them at the ends of these straps. Again, we are not notified of any instrucciones. Oh, there's Velcro though. So we put, these brows are gonna look weird. I could already tell. And then you secure it. Hi mom, I'm ready for prom. I was gonna use Anastasia brow pomade, like you remember throwback of what everyone used to use. I'm just gonna get an angled brush from somewhere with brow powder and hope for the best. Please pray for me. I know you don't have to, but I'm risking everything for this video. Where's my mermaid mirror? I need her. Dear friend, please help me. I hope this doesn't ruin my foundation. La-da-dee. Ooh, ooh, None of these fit my brows, and this one, oh, it's gonna look like I have four brows. That's great. I think all of these brow shapes made me look angry, and I wasn't expecting it to not actually match my, maybe I have a weird shaped head and we're just realizing this now. Thanks, Mom, for giving me no brow hairs and maybe a weird shaped head, because none of these brow stencils actually fit my face and where my brows apparently should be growing according to the brow stencils. I am not looking forward to seeing what this looks like. Y'all ready? Dear Ellen, or whatever God you believe in, please. Oh, I look crazy. Oh, she's not cute. Ooh, it didn't mess up my foundation that much. I was surprised. Girl. Ooh, get stuck in your hair. Nope, I don't like it. I hate it. Oh, you can see some of my foundation. Oh, do you see that? Let's get some disinfectant. Like I'm gonna use this on anybody else. That was a waste of money. I hope Bunny realizes I'm not coming for her brand with the disinfectant and trying on. I don't think these are as seen on TV. I just was up on Amazon with my Asian no eyebrows trying to achieve greatness. Okay. I hate this product. It's so hard. You guys saw me, I tried to do every brow stencil to match it with my face. It just was not working. You know what I'm gonna do before I take them off? Let's try to save these brows and use that stencil even though they're too high for my natural brow and cover these brow hairs. Will sister make it work? Dear Asian grandmas and moms with no brows that gave me these brows to work with. I'm a little upset, but please, this is making it worse because I think it looked better with 4 eyebrows. I look like someone's insane aunt who your parents send to over the summer when they're upset at your grades. This is the worst. You guys saw, I tried all of these dang stencils. Why did I think this was work? What was I on at night? I don't do any type of things that change my mind this much. What were these little dots? I don't like it. I know I didn't blend the concealer, but I just feel, okay, let me blend the concealer. Let me do her justice to really give this product its fair shot at life, even though I'm so upset. The brows make me look upset, and I'm actually upset, and I hope I'm not offending people. But Kat, you're not saying anything, I know I'm not saying anything offensive. It's just these brows look offensive. Oh, let's try again, shall we? Game over. Pass go and do not collect $200, Kat. Refund. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. I hope that was the only bad brow product, because I'm hoping one of these work. Yes, I'm resetting my foundation because I'm extra like that, and I want it to, what if one of these works, you know? I want to be able to go to my local Starbucks because I don't barely leave my house anymore. I want to go there and look cute. Let's blend that eyeshadow again to the heavens. As you can see, I thought I was gonna do a natural face makeup today, and I look like Hot Cheeto realness with this eye makeup today, but I'm cool with it. I said I was gonna go natural. Didn't work. Okay, let's try this again. The next brow product we have today is called the Music Flower. What? The Fine Sketch Tattoo Sense of Super Durable Music Flower Liquid Eyebrow Pen. Let's see what I paid for her. This is a totally different brand than what's pictured on Amazon. On Amazon, this says this is an Asa Via, again with these wish list sounding names. Tattoo Eyebrow Pen Waterproof Ink Gel Tint with 4 tips, long-lasting, smudge-proof, natural, hair-like defined brows all day in chestnut. I paid $15.99 for this, and the prices are just gonna get bigger apparently. These have 4 prongs of tiny little pins that produce brow product. And what this is supposed to be like, if you've seen this on Instagram or Facebook or all over the internet, and it's supposed to look like the brow tattoo thing that everyone's getting, but in a pen form without the pain. So paint me intrigued. That sounded amazing to me. It looks a little difficult, so at least we get 2 tries. So let's try this one. I'm really hoping for the best for this. I was more excited. This is supposed to make it look like brow hairs. Ooh, but let's see if this will look like real brow hairs. This part sounds fun for this product, but this part sounds a little difficult. Like the arch with this sounds like it's gonna be a pain. And like the tip, how do you do that? Sideways? Huh? Maybe. We'll try. I feel like if you had thinner brow hairs, this might work better, because with my thick brow hairs, maybe I need a different color. This is looking a little bit warm tone, like a warm brown, and my brows are not warm brown naturally. You might need to like use this on your palm, I've noticed, to get some of the foundation off of it, because you're gonna get a caked frosting layer of your foundation and concealer that you did, unless you wipe that off before. Maybe I should have done that. Okay, wow, this brow usually comes out great, but I'm liking this brow more today. What world, twisted Twilight Zone dimension are we living in? So I got this in chestnut, and I think it was the darkest color. I'm gonna look online actually, because she's not dark. Okay, they only come in one color. Great! They only come in different shapes, not shades. I am so confused by this. But so far I like this a lot better than the first product we used. Okay, it's not bad, but it's not my favorite. And on my hand, can you see it swatched? It looks very light compared to the rest of my hair, but then when it's on, it looks, I don't know. What do you think? I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like she's a little sparse. If you have more brow hairs than I do, maybe this will work out for you. It's just, there's little patches where I try to really get in there and it just gets weirder. I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe I have to play with it more. It's such a little thing. Let's try product number 3 and get this off. Oh my gosh, it comes off a little chunky. Oh, it's like, you know when whiteboards, like a dry erase board, you wipe it with your fingers and it comes off like in flake weird things? That's what this is like. Hi mom, I'm ready for school. If I ran a school, you know how they have like dress weird or days at some high schools? I would have do your makeup crazy days. Let's conceal them brows again, just around the brow hairs. Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Aye, aye, Captain. Let's try the next brow thing. Okay, I feel like it left it gray there. That's not good. With some concealer. Yeah, I feel like it permanently left my skin dark. Let's try a fuller coverage concealer. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Get the third brow product. The third product is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. These are the new retractable brow contours. Pencils, retractable, 90s throwback, whatever this is. These confused me. What confuses me about them is there's no spoolie. What also confuses me about them is the color selection. I've gotten here what I think are my 2 colors, or what's closest to them, brown black light and brown black deep. Huh? On Sephora, these retail for $34. Yes, they've got, I should have gotten brown medium. But I got the darker colors because I didn't want what happened with the last brow product where it looks like I put on a warm tone poopy brown color on my eyebrows. So I got these 2. And how these work, I've been messing with them. The darkest shade's too dark. I know that for a fact. When you go like this, it's too dark. And you have to twist them. After you do you gotta twist them. They got a darker color and they got a lighter color. So that you could, you know, really define around the ends. But they're so tiny. Just so tiny. They're like miniature. So I'm gonna go for the second darkest shade on the color brown black light. And what I thought was interesting about this, like the last product, it does little brow hairs. But now that I'm doing this, she's gonna take a long time because they're little tiny brow hairs you draw, and it's super pigmented and it's super creamy, which creamy sounds nice, right, for most makeup products, but when it comes to brows, there's no spoolie, which angers me, and they're so soft and pencil-like that they look like just lines. I don't know if I'm liking this. I'm surprised. I thought I would like this a lot. Like, I really thought I would like this a lot. I feel like if I use this with my regular brow pencil, she would look good. Like if I went with a Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil or a Benefit with a thick triangle, this is Benefit, but the other Benefit, the thick triangle ones, and then use this for like the inner brows, natural, girl, I'll be popping, but with it on my entire brow, she is looking like gross. I don't like this. I like the last product even more than this. I feel like I look like Plankton from SpongeBob if he had a human daughter. I don't like this. I don't even want to go further. I look like I had a bad tattoo job on my eyebrows. What do you think? There's no spoolie to blend in those brow hairs that are penciled, literally penciled on. It looks like a 5-year-old took their color markers and penciled in my eyebrows. Can't take myself seriously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my 3 different brow products of like to look like those tattoo brows. It's crazy. So if you're ever curious to find out which weird brow product that you see online will work for you, I'm doing it for you so you won't have to. Because I'm that friend, I got you. I don't know what I was thinking, but I hope you enjoyed this video and had fun with me today. I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below what's your favorite brow product and what's your opinion of the best brows in this video. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Again, the makeup Halloween tutorials will be coming soon. I'm working on those babies right now for you. I'm so excited about them. Can't wait. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!